have a little problem. I don't know if you're watching my videos. I'm always complaining about that hose that the jetter brings, that Spartan Warrior that we carry, always getting stuck. Well, it happened again. We got stuck in the main pipe, and we have to cut the hose off, and the hose is still inside, and now I have to find out what I'm going to do. The hose it went into a main pipe inside the property, and thank God it's not backing up. We were able to get it flowing, but it's stuck somewhere in the main line, and it is a complete difficult situation. You'll see it when we get there. I'll try to get you some pictures, but I gotta get the vacuum truck there and do a couple passes in this line, because I want to have my friend. I believe there's something wrong with the pipes too, so we'll see when we get there. But I have my friend going over. He has a smaller camera crawler. Mine is too big to make an elbow. That has to negotiate an elbow that's too shallow, or anyway, my camera crawler is too long to make the turn. So my friend is going over there. He has a smaller unit. It's about 100 feet of pipe, and you know, I'm gonna do a couple passes to get it nice and clean, so he can go see where the hose is stuck. And if there's a breakage, you know, then we can tell the owner that we have to dig. If it's not, and the hose is just stuck, I don't know. We'll find out what it is. It looks like we're gonna have to dig anyway. But I like to get him some pictures in a video of what's going on. It's gonna be fun. But yet again, these black hose of those jetters, I mean, as soon as you get these jetters, just get rid of them hoses. Or you as Spartan, if you're listening, just that hose sucks. Just always get stuck. Oops. Alright, so here's the situation here. So we got this manhole right here, and the line is coming like this to the motel, and we got a hose stuck. We were jetting this building right here, and we got it stuck on this area here. So we're gonna clean this line, and we're gonna camera it, see if we see our hose coming into the manhole or into the line, and that's the plan. I'll give you a peek at the other side. I'm sending Raymond now to that side, so he can let me know when I'm there. I'm gonna do about 2 passes here, and that's it. The grease. Hope you can see that. net on this. I really don't want to back this line up, but if I do see a lot of garbage coming out, I'll have no choice. Look at all the grease accumulated on the sides. I mean, this thing has been backing up for a while. So here I am trying to figure out what's going on. Only 2 nozzles working. But what got me confused is that my gauge is showing 29500. So I'm like, what the hell's going on here? The gauge is bad. I gotta clean my nozzle. I mean, I hope you can see that, but look at all the mud that came out of those orifices. Normal. Yeah, see, I couldn't make that turn. This is way cleaner than before.
Yeah.
You think someone was there?
Possible.
Yeah, he should be able to make it. oil guy. Okay, so he's gonna go with his camera that way. You can see my truck all the way over there. That's about 100 feet, and let's see if you can see anything. Alright, so as you can see here, this line, it looks like it hasn't been maintained in a long time. And the problem here, as you're going to see very soon, is that the crawler is going to get stuck because the line will start closing up. The issue we have here now is that if we cannot confirm a breakage, I suspect the line to be broken because I can see sand going by and rocks. I cannot send any nozzle too aggressive and then get stuck there or make matters worse. I mean, this line here, you got probably close to 100 toilets in this hotel and a restaurant. So at this point, we just have to present the owner with you know, let him know what the situation is before we move forward. This is this kind of fiberglass asbestos type of pipe, and what my guess is probably channel rod. These lines are notorious for channel routing. We actually replaced a section of this pipe already further up, and I'm expecting this to be the same thing. I mean, look at all these grease. It's incredible. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and talk to the owner and see if I can get you another video about this. Trying to remove all this grease and find the breakage and excavate it, because my hose is in there, so something's got to get done.